If you're considering a facelift and unsure whether a temporal lift or a brow lift is indicated, listen up because this video is for you. I wanted to clarify the definitions of brow lift and temporal lift and discuss when we would choose to pursue them as treatments. So in general, there are two indications for a brow lift. Number one is when the brow starts to descend and drop as part of the normal aging process, imparting a heavy appearance to the upper eye region. And oftentimes we perform a brow lift in this scenario in conjunction with an upper blepharoplasty to relieve that heaviness and open up and brighten up the eyes. The second indication, one that I really wanted to focus on today, is when we're performing a facelift and a lot of the tissue laxity of the lower face is repositioned back up towards their more youthful position, we'll recruit a certain degree of tissue pleating up into the temple area. Why does this happen? Because the scalp, the face, and the neck structural layers are basically one tissue layer that's continuous throughout this region. So when we are maneuvering one part of this tissue, we have to continue chasing that up. I like to use a specific analogy to illustrate this point to my patients. Think of a rug, like a living room rug that you're trying to move, and one edge of the rug is fixed or someone is stepping on it. If you're moving the opposite or free edge of the rug, and you don't move the fixed edge, then you'll have pleating and gathering and it won't be an effective repositioning. So in order to make it a smooth repositioning, we have to displace the fixed edge. And this is exactly what's happening here. In short, a temporal lift is a type of a brow lift that's designed specifically to address the outer corner or the temporal region, and I perform it almost universally in all of my facelift patients for reasons I mentioned earlier. There's a lot of fear and anxiety surrounding this procedure because most people are under the impression that performing this procedure will lead to a surprised or overarched appearance, and this is absolutely not the case. We simply want to ensure a smooth, well-balanced, comprehensive rejuvenation. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope this clarified some confusion for those of you that had questions about it.